If a tourist traveled all over Assam, one of the enduring images he would take back would be of the Bardwi woman in her bright yellow hand-woven wraparound. The Bodos are the largest plains tribal community in Assam, but their community has been subject to turbulent times as they try to achieve political and economic emancipation. They live in hope for a better tomorrow. Bardwi in Assamese, Bardwi Sikhla is such an expression of hope. Under the blue skies, they praise the great eagle that spans the skies, its wings moving with ease and power, watching over its own and their difficulties.